Hello, how you doing? Gonna make this today. Chana dal rice. It's very, very easy and it's super, super tasty. Indian vibes happening in there. Vegan and of course vegetarian. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, 3 cups cooked rice, 2 cups cooked chana dal, 1 cup onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon curry powder. Let's have a little look at it. Rice. I always use cold cooked rice. This was cooked yesterday and has been in the fridge. Cold rice fries so much better than hot or warm rice. The chana dal, the 2 cups of chana dal, what I've done with that, I just washed it, boiled it for about 10 minutes. The onions, you can slice it or you can dice it. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. The curry powder, I made myself. Let's go. So you're going to need a kind of wok-y type skillet thing like I have here. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use a different oil if you want. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds. And by the way, we're on a high heat. We're now going to drop in that 1 cup of onion, the tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we're now going to drop in our 2 cups of cooked chana dal. Now chana dal looks exactly the same as yellow split peas, pretty much identical. The difference is chana dal, when you cook it, will kind of retain its body. Yellow split peas will turn into a soup quite quickly. We're going to go now for about 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, the tablespoon of curry powder. I'm also going to add some salt. If you wanted, get some carrots, celery, bell peppers or some other sort of vegetable in here to kind of bulk it out if you wanted to. And then we're going to go with the 3 cups of cold basmati rice. And we're going to stay on this highish heat and we're going to go for 4 more minutes. Beautiful, really, really beautiful and so easy. Off goes the heat. Nice big handful of cilantro or coriander. 1 little mix, job done, super, super easy, spicy, delicious rice. And there you have it. That really, really is easy and it really is super tasty. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.